Hi everyone, this is Sophie. Today is the 9th of January 2022. Currently, the variant of Omicron or Delta is spreading around the world rapidly, and a lot of people caught the virus and get really sick. So today I would like to share a tip from Qigong, which is to help you to feel better, to get rid of the pain in the heart, and also stop the cough. So the first of all, put your fingertip together, thumb to thumb, and put the tip of your index finger on the nail of the thumbs. Then lift the middle finger straight up. Then also put the tip of your ring finger on top of the thumbs. Then the little finger also straight tip to tip together. Once you have done that, you can see the posture is like this. Once you have done this, and then put your fingers on top of your heart. You can close your eyes and relax for about 15 to 30 minutes. Once you have done that, you should feel much better. So by doing this, you can do it by sitting on a chair, or you can also lay down in a bed as long as you feel comfortable. Good luck and hope you feel better. Thanks for watching.